Good morning. Today is Wednesday, wait, yeah, May. I was like, what month is it? Yes, May 17th. And I just checked the incubator that has our eggs in it, and there's a little spot where a baby has started to hatch, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get the tote ready, but first, so we have a tote that we keep chicks in when we get baby chicks, so I'm gonna be getting that ready, and maybe I'll show you that because I need to get that ready for when the baby hatches. I'm so excited. We're gonna have babies. This is my first time hatching like babies in an incubator like this. So I'm testing the Boardwalk hoodie, and this is how far I have gotten. I was gonna start filming earlier today, but then Chemnitz had a live stream and I wanted to watch that while it was live streaming. So I'm starting a little late, but I did knit while I watched / listened to her live stream. So let's show how much I've got of this. So this is the front section of the hoodie, and goes around why is this all twisted up? So I'm basically this far in the hoodie. There's a little opening in the front of the hoodie, so it's knit flat, and then we're gonna join it in the round soon. I'm getting closer, but this is gonna look so cute. I love it, and I felt like dressing up today. This is a bodice I had made. I don't know if I made it. Did I make it last year or the year before? I can't remember, but I felt like dressing up, so I'm wearing this today. I was planning on knitting more, but now that I see a chick is hatching, I think I might get the tote ready. And then after I get that ready, then I might knit some more. But I can show you me setting up for the chicks though. That might be fun. Okay, so this is the tote we usually use for when we get new chicks. I had put some sticks in it. So anyways, I'm gonna clean this now, and I'm gonna put in some pine shavings, and I'll get the heat lamp ready. There's also a lid to it that we use. We cut out a hole in the lid, and the heat lamp sets into it to so that they're covered, and then there's a hole for the heat lamp for the heat to go in, and then one side is warm and one is cool, so they can move from side to side depending on what temperature they need. But I need to clean this out. Okay, so this egg is starting to hatch too, and I think I heard a chirp. I'm so excited. My gosh, I just saw this one. It's almost out. Oh my gosh, hello baby. Oh no. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so I finally got to the end of the first cake that I had wound up of this yarn. Now I'm going to attach the second, so I'm going to tie these together, and we'll be into the second one already. So we're still waiting on a couple eggs to see if they hatch, but we do have some babies in here. This is a little heater thing that we had gotten. Oh, you guys all warm under there? Oh. So that little red one is the newest one that hatched at 4:30 this morning. So it's still like drying off and fluffing out, but I think it's doing good. And here's the other babies. Oh, sweetie. Okay, good morning. It is now Monday. I've started working on some laundry. I have Mash here. You guys probably haven't seen him in a while because he's been with another foster, but he's one of the kittens that had flat-chested kitten syndrome. And they're here just temporarily because we picked them up last night. We also have Hash Brown. They are great cuddlers. They cuddled with me last night. Anyways. They needed new vests made, so they want to keep the vests to help their chest for until they're neutered and get confirmation from our veterinarian that everything looks good. They'll probably get an x-ray at that point too. But anyways, they're here because I haven't been sewing at all, but actually I might start a sewing project soon. But I needed to make them new vests. I'm currently working on the eyelets so we could tie them closed. But I made these last night. There's ice cream on one side, stars and moons on the other. Anyways, I'm making those for those foster kittens. And then this weekend, I did work on my No Frills. I'm sorry, there's kittens wanting to be in everything that I'm doing right now. Mainly Mash. Silly boy. Anyways, I did work on the No Frills sweater a little bit, so I'll show you how much I did on that. What are you doing, baby boy? Oh my gosh. You're being ridiculous. So I did, let me find my marker. I put a marker when I started so that I could keep progress. But, oh my gosh. This is it. It's going to be like a more close fitting knit tee for like summer, warm days. This fabric is so much like softer and drapier than the Boardwalk hoodie that I'm making, which I'm also going to show you. It's right here. I wanted to show you the progress though. If I can find the marker. Ah! Okay. Okay, Mash. You good. Chill. You good. Chill. You're purring. Oh, you are such a sweet boy. Oh, he is just the best cuddler. He, like, just immediately starts chilling and falling asleep when I pick him up. Oh, he's so cute. Baby boy. You just want to be held like a baby. I'm trying to film here, hon. Do I have to hold you? Okay. We're just gonna have to do this together. Okay, let me find my marker again. I think it's on. There we go. Okay. So I knit this much on the This is ridiculous. I knit this much on the No Frills sweater. So I did just a tiny bit over an inch, I think. And it's super pretty. I love this yarn so much. I can't believe I have to hold you for you to chill. Okay, I guess this is just how we're gonna have to do this right now, if I want to get any filming done at all. Ridiculous. Oh, but you're just a baby boy. Anyways, an update on the Boardwalk hoodie. So, when I knit this, there was a section of the pattern that said that you repeated like a section of 8. You did a section of like 8 rows, and then you were supposed to repeat it 2 more times. But because the pattern said you do it a total of 3 times, in my mind, I saw the number 3, and I did it 3 more times. So I did the 8 row repeat an extra time, so it made the neckline really low. And the person that I'm test knitting for, she was like, if you don't mind the neckline being lower, then you could just keep it, because I'd have to frog everything I had done. I had gotten to the bottom, and I was like an inch into the bottom ribbing. I had almost finished the whole body of the Boardwalk hoodie at that point. But, you know, she said it was fine, that if I didn't mind the lower neckline, then just keep it and finish it like it was. But I sat there and I'm like, I didn't feel good about it. I was like, if I'm test knitting something, I need it to be an accurate representation of the actual pattern, because like the point of test knitting it is to kind of test the pattern, yes, but also like show other. Stop chewing on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to move this. Hash brown started chewing on my cord to my interchangeable knitting needles. Anyways, but also you take pictures and you show how it's gonna look if other people make it when they get the pattern. And I'm like, I have to frog it. So I frogged it all the way back up before you start it in the round. So I had to restart all of that. Oh my gosh, Hash Brown, what are you doing? So I was almost done with the body of the Boardwalk hoodie this week, and then, oh, you're just a baby. Sorry, I'm easily distracted. But I was like almost done with the body, and I was like, I have to redo it. Oh, you're such a baby. Can you guys lay right here? Can you just chill? Can you just chill? Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So I had to frog it up to. So I had to frog it back, and I was down to the bottom ribbing, like an inch into it at the point when the mistake was realized. But I had to like take it all the way up to before the project. Oh my gosh, Hash Brown. Before it was connected and around. And are you gonna behave if I hold you like a baby? Do you need attention? Did you just need attention? Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah. Anyway, so this is where I am on the Boardwalk. Okay, you need to stop getting into this stuff. He keeps coming back and like trying to bite it. What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys are such babies. Anyways, I will finish their, I had an itch on my nose. I will finish their vests today, and then we'll bring them back to their other foster. Oh my gosh. Later today. So we got them yesterday, picked them up so I could make the vests to fit them, custom made little kitty vests. No, you can't play with my yarn, baby. No. Stop. Anyway, so this is how far I am in the Boardwalk hoodie again. So I have a lot more to redo now. But it's kind of nice switching between this and the No Frills Tee, because This is like really thick. I think the thicker yarn and stuff is a little bit more tiring for knitting. And I do prefer knitting with the fingering yarn, because the yarn is just more drapey and it makes a thinner fabric. But the Boardwalk hoodie will be good for like when it's cold, to wear over things and to feel warm and cozy. So anyways, that's where I am today, right now. Oh my gosh. I am not gonna be able to do much though, I think, with these guys around. They are just little babies, and if I don't hold them, they're obnoxious. And they get into everything that I'm working on, don't you? Alright, so I am going to finish off filming for the moment. Alright, so it is Tuesday now. I'm going to show you the progress that I did on the Boardwalk hoodie, because I did knit on it yesterday. Yeah, I did knit on it, I think, quite a bit. Let's see, where's my marker? Mash and Hash Brown went back to their foster last night, so I knit this much yesterday, which is a good amount. It's about 2 inches, I think. So now it looks like this. Oh, I love how the brown, very variegated color looks. I really like it. Alright, so it seems to like roughly half the body, I think, is done. So I did work on this quite a bit. This is what it looks like now. And then I don't think I knit on the No Frills sweater or tee again yesterday. And this was maybe like a row or two. But this, oh my gosh, the yarn is like tangled. I'm like, I'm at the end of the ball of yarn that I'm using, so it's a little messy, but this is the progress on that. Let's look at the marker. And the marker is just like, yeah, it's about, there we go, about an inch from the marker for where I was marking that I started working on again. So I think this is going to be it for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.